And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Still tracking that decent line of storms as it rolls further off to the south of us this morning, riding right across that warm front that's going to be moving into the viewing area within the next few hours and producing plenty of rainfall throughout the region. Let's get a better look looking at our Precision 18 radar. It looks like the majority of that heavy rain now beginning to move out of Montgomery County. We're finally beginning to dry out, still dealing with some lingering showers in parts of Clinton as well as Cass, Carroll, Howard counties. Fulton, Pulaski, more rain just off to the west of us, and that's all going to be moving our way as well, just not anywhere as strong or complex as this line of storms was earlier this morning. Right around 3 inches over the last 12 hours in parts of northern White County. Check out northern Jasper County, right around 3.13 inches. A little bit off to the southwest, though, in parts of Newton County, under 0.2 of an inch of rain. Here at the station, we received 1.9 inches of rainfall, but northern Tippecanoe County, right around an inch. Now, these are all estimated amounts from our Precision 18 radar. Some portions of parts of White as well as Jasper were estimated to receive as much as 4 or possibly 5 inches of rain within the last day, and that is why there's a flash flood warning out for Jasper County that goes until later this morning. We also have a couple flood advisories out for Carroll and Tippecanoe County until later this morning as well. Now, if you are dealing with any standing water on those roadways, please use caution. Turn around, find another route to get to wherever you're headed this morning. We are expecting plenty of flooding, or at least low-lying flooding, over the next few hours here because of all of that rain falling just about an hour here in Tippecanoe County. 64 degrees as you step out the door this morning. Winds from the southwest right around 6 miles per hour, and it will be the southwesterly winds that help warm things up so much throughout the day. So 64 Lafayette, 65 Kokomo. We're at 68 degrees in Crawfordsville as you step out the door this morning. We're going to continue to see chances of rain showers, cloud cover, and maybe even some thunderstorms throughout the morning. But later this afternoon, as that warm front drags further off to the east, you can see the line of storms right around our lunch hour for our eastern portion of the viewing area. That represents our warm front. That's going to continue to push further off to the east, but it will usher in a more humid and a warmer air mass. Temperatures are going to be nearly 10 degrees above average for this time of the year, and once you add all that humidity here at the surface, we may see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms throughout the afternoon, though nothing once again like what we saw earlier this morning. 69 degrees by 7 a.m. We'll hit 80 by our lunch hour, 84 by 3 p.m., warming up to 88 degrees here in Lafayette later today. We're going to drop off to 69 overnight tonight before tomorrow rolls on. We were tracking a cold front, bringing an additional chance of scattered rainfall back to the viewing area for tomorrow. Now, Futurecast has a lot of that rain developing just off to our southeast. I'm expecting to develop a little bit further off to the west, bringing more scattered showers and thunderstorms back to the viewing area for your Friday. May disrupt a couple of plans for those Friday night football games. 78 degrees, that'll be your high temperature tomorrow. Considerably cooler, all thanks to the passing cold front. Temperatures continue to drop off as well. 72 degrees on Saturday as high pressure builds in and clears out all that moisture, all that cloud cover. We're looking at a perfect day on Saturday. Sunday up to 73 degrees. Monday, we're looking at a high temperature near 76. Back up into the 80s by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.
You know, with this recent drought conditions, this rain is good, but, you know, maybe just not so much at once.
Yeah, you know, it's always good to get rain, especially when we're as dry as we have been over the last couple months here. But when you're talking about as many as 3 inches or 4 inches of rainfall in just over 2-3 hours of a period, that's when you start running into problems, because when that ground is so hard, it's so parched, it doesn't really absorb all that water. A lot of that water is what's called runoff, and that's what causes all the flooding.
There's nowhere for it to go.
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks, Cameron.